In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a Photoshop file to Google Slides. For those unfamiliar with this process, it might seem a bit complex at first glance, but rest assured I'm here to walk you through each step so that it becomes second nature. Alright, let's begin. First, you'll want to navigate to Google Slides. To do this, open your web browser and type in the URL for Google Slides. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to log into your Google account. Do so with your credentials to ensure you have access to all your files and new presentations. Once signed in, you'll arrive at the Google Slides homepage. Here, you'll have a couple of options. For this tutorial, select either the blank presentation to start from scratch, or choose from the pre-designed templates if you're looking for something more specific to fit your style. Selecting a template can save you a few design steps later on, so consider what will work best for your needs. With your presentation open, the next step is pretty straightforward. Look towards the top of the page and click on File in the menu bar. This will open a drop-down menu, and from here you'll select Open. It may sound simple, but opening a file is where you'll begin to integrate your Photoshop work with Google Slides. Now, you're at the pivotal point where you upload your image. In the Open dialog, you'll see various source options on the left-hand side. Choose Upload. Here you'll be able to select the file you saved in Photoshop from your computer. Make sure you locate the correct file and then click to upload it into your Google Slides. At this stage, if your Photoshop file was saved as an image file like a JPEG or PNG, you're good to go because these are compatible with Google Slides. It's worth noting, however, that if your Photoshop file is in the original PSD format, you should first convert it into an image file type. You can easily do this by opening your PSD in Photoshop and going to File, Export As, then choosing the format you need. Once your image uploads, it will be inserted into your slide, where you can move, resize, and arrange it as needed within your presentation. Be mindful of maintaining contact with your file as you compile the rest of the slides to ensure everything aligns correctly. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to upload a Photoshop file to Google Slides. With practice, this process will become an integral part of your presentation building toolkit. Thanks for watching and happy presenting.